Buying 2 small sounds clever until dinner becomes rotating crumbs and half a frozen pizza. Then the compact oven owns your counter anyway. So I'm sorting these by household size, workflow, cleanup tolerance, and the upgrade you're actually buying. Match capacity to meals, footprint to your counter, and cooking modes to your real workflow. Then clean up the sides. Let's move. Number 1. Ninja Flip SP151. If I were replacing a toaster and a bonus mini oven, this is where I'd start. It's for buyers who want toast, baking, broiling, convection cooking, and pizza in one compact station. The useful proof is the flip-back storage plus an 11.0 inch pizza fit. That means it can handle a normal small frozen pizza, then get off your workspace. But the wide shape is the compromise, because the chamber isn't especially tall. So loaf pans and taller bakeware are the wrong mission here. I also wouldn't buy it as a serious air fryer replacement. The fan is there, but this isn't the strongest crisping setup. Skip it if vertical clearance matters more than counter recovery. Number 2. Breville the Mini Smart Oven. Want the compact oven that feels more like a tiny baker than a gadget stack? I'd pick this for toast, reheating, baking, and broiling when height matters. The proof is its 11.0 inch pizza fit with 3 rack positions. That gives you more placement control for ramekins, muffins, or a small tray. But here's the trade-off. There's no convection mode. So it doesn't chase the Ninja's broader cooking role, especially for fan-driven crisping. It also tops out at 4 slices, not the Ninja-style bigger toast batch. Skip it if air frying is central to your week. I'd also skip it if your upgrade path is one appliance replacing several others. Number 3. Panasonic FlashXpress NB-G110P. This is the one I'd choose for a small household that mostly reheats and toasts. It makes sense for 1 or 2 person kitchens, quick snacks, and leftovers that don't need drama. Its useful limit is a 9.0 inch pizza, which fits snack meals better than family dinners. That smaller chamber is the whole point, because it keeps the countertop commitment down. But the workflow is narrow, no convection, no steam, and no broil. There's also 1 rack position, so you aren't layering trays. Skip it if you want crisping, browning, or longer set-in walk-away cooking. I'd keep it simple, because that's the only way this pick wins. Number 4. Black+Decker Natural Convection 4-Slice T01756 SB. Here's the blunt budget play. Buy it for simple heat, not clever cooking. I'd use it for toast, warming, baking, and broiling small portions without paying for extra modes. The capacity story is basic but useful for slices or a 9.0 inch pizza. That covers lunch, leftovers, and small frozen snacks without pretending to replace your main oven. But the trade-off is awkward counter value. It uses more space than the Panasonic while giving you less chamber room. There's also no fan, no air fry setting, and no coated tray. Skip it if you bake taller items or hate scrubbing budget accessories. I'd buy it only when simple controls matter most. Number 5. Dash Mini DMT 100. This isn't a mini oven for families. It's a tiny toast box with limits. I'd pick it for a dorm, a shelf, or a cramped counter where 1 slice is enough. The proof is the 5.0 inch pizza limit, which really means snack-only territory. That footprint is the win, because almost everything else is stripped back. There's no convection, no broil, and no temperature control. You also don't get presets. Cleaning is the other catch, because the chamber is tight and fussy. So skip it if you want real baking capacity or easy interior access. I'd only buy it when space is the problem and toast is the job. If you want the broadest small counter roll, I'd start with Ninja. If baking control matters more, Breville is cleaner. Panasonic is the quick snack small household pick. Black+Decker is the cheap straightforward oven. Dash is only for the tightest counters. Before buying, measure the open counter and the storage position. Then match pan height, pizza size, and slice count to real meals. If cleanup annoys you, favor coated trays. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. My pick for most small kitchens is the Ninja. Choose Breville for baking and Panasonic for quick snacks. Pick Black+Decker for basic budget cooking and Dash for extreme space limits. Links are in the description.